guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be putting on our brand new wing for the FL5 Type R. So this is the S-Style version 1 wing. We're gonna make two variants. Variant 2 will be way down later the road, but this will be coming out in end of first quarter of 2025, which is like literally 2 months away. It'll be available in gloss black or color match options. Gloss black for now, and color match will be releasing it next week to show you guys. Pretty much just a direct swap on. You remove your OEM spoiler, put this on the top of the OEM risers, and then using the provided hardware and just bolt it around. It should be taking no more than like 10 minutes. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to put this on, and before I do, let me show the difference between this and the OEM one. So OEM one actually has a carbon fiber version of this, but when you install it, it's actually raked like this. So what we did is we made it less rake, more flush, to make it a little more aggressive look, and obviously the price point. Again, this is a gloss black option, which most of you guys will go for, but we do have the color match options available. Before we install this, let's go take a look at the stock spoiler. Currently have the OEM with our extension. So as you can see, our extension does make this OEM spoiler pop a lot more. The fins obviously are a little bit different from side by side, which I'll grab right now. So from the side, obviously the fin is a little bit different shape, and I believe this one has a more angle and arch compared to this one. So it's more flat towards the front, which the OEM actually kicks up a little bit more, and obviously with extension, it rolls it back a little bit higher. So a different style for different people, right? If you want something different, this is the way to go, and price point is very fair. So let's go ahead and take this off, which using a hex 4 or 5 millimeter, and remove all 3 from the bottom, and then we're gonna put this on and bolt it straight down. With the OEM, all you use is a T30, go from the bottom and literally unscrew it. I already loosened up all the screws already, so go ahead and get your T30 and unscrew it. I think the OEM riser is a good height. I've seen some a little bit higher, but I feel like it's not necessary to go too high. You know, you still want the OEM plus look, so that's what we're going for. So once that's out, boom, just like that, just like the OEM, you have all the threaded nuts inside ready to go. Literally put it right on here. You can see the way it sits already. It's a huge difference, a little more sleek. Oh, another Type R just pulled up. So that's the homie Michael Chow. You already know from the video. He's here for the color match version, which we'll show you guys next week. But anyways, you're gonna get the provided screws. You're gonna screw it back in. Okay, guys, once everything is on, tighten everything. Okay, there's no torque specs for this. All you gotta do is just tighten it where it's tight enough. Don't over tighten it. And there you go, your S-Style is ready to go. As you can see, it looks a little bit different than the OEM, more of an OEM plus look. For those interested in the gloss black, it is available in the pre-order link below, as well as the color match will be coming out in a couple weeks. We have Michael's car is pulled in here. I just want to show you guys a side-by-side comparison, OEM plus OEM plus. Obviously the fins are different. Like I said earlier, the front curved part of the wing, which is flat on the other end, and then the back end here, it's a little bit different. Again, everyone has different tastes, but if you want to swap it up to go something a little bit different, this is the option to go. Personally, I don't know. I like both, not gonna lie. Now that I see it side by side, I think they both look pretty clean. There's no which one's better, but I guess just to change it up, you know, I go something like this. I like the side plates. Pre-order is in the link below. We're gonna be installing a color match version on Michael's car. So come back next week to see that. I'm very excited because a lot of people are actually color matching their spoilers. You know, for those that like the black and color contrast. But that's it for today's video, guys. I know it's a little bit short. We are gonna go Honda in the next video, well, a couple videos later, to get the car finally dyno and tuned, and hopefully get some power. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.